In this video, we'll do question number 2, exercise 1.3. This is chapter 1, number systems. So the question says that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Now we have to predict the value of these rational numbers without actually doing long division. We do not have to perform long division, and we have to find the value of these numbers. Now all these numbers have denominator 7 and this also has denominator 7. So this value will help us to find these values without doing long division. Let's start. So we write down 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142, 0.142857 bar. Now 2 by 7 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 by 7. Agreed? Now 2 multiplied by, instead of 1 by 7, we'll write down 142857 bar, the value of 1 by 7. Now we multiply this the way you do normal multiplication, same way. So we get 0.285714 bar. So we get the value of 2 by 7 without actually doing long division. We will use this method in all the numbers, for all the numbers. 3 by 7, same method. 3 into 1 by 7, this means 3 into 0.142857 bar. This means 0.428571 bar. Now 4 by 7 means 4 multiplied by 1 by 7, which is 4 into 0.142857 bar. This means 0.571428 bar. Now 5 by 7 is 5 into 1 by 7, which is equal to 5 into, we write down 5 into 0.142857 bar, which means this is equal to 0.714285 bar. You can find out all these values in a rough column. I am directly writing it. 6 by 7, 6 into 1 by 7. This is 6 into 0.142857 bar, and this is equal to 0.857142 bar. In case you have any query, you do not understand anything, you want to ask anything, write in comment section. I will answer your query. Okay.